Hello everyone! Welcome to Armin's Easy Recipes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a very easy bread pizza that you can make. To make this, you will need bread, bell pepper, chicken, onion, mozzarella cheese, ketchup, butter, salt, and some spices. Okay, let's get started. So first, I'm going to take a bowl and add some cooked diced chicken. Next, I'm going to add some bell pepper and onion. Now I'm going to add some salt, black pepper, oregano, and lastly some crushed chili. Next, I'm going to mix it. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side and make the pizza sauce. To make the pizza sauce, I'm going to mix some ketchup, barbecue sauce, and oregano together. I'm going to mix this all together. Next, I'm going to prepare the bread. To prepare the bread, I'm going to put butter on one side of the bread. I'm going to lay the butter side on the baking tray. Next, I'm going to spread the pizza sauce on the bread. Now I'm going to add the toppings. Lastly, I'm going to add the mozzarella cheese on top. Now I'm going to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and put this in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the cheese melts. And voila! After 10 minutes, this is your result. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!